How's everybody doing? Today we're gonna do our test flight of the Autel Robotics EVO drone. I'm not gonna do a full review. I'm gonna wait a little while until I get more information under my belt about the drone. But today I thought it'd be neat just to sort of take it for a test flight. We did the unboxing and it's just the day after. It's June 8th. It's nice out, the locusts are buzzing. And I came back out here to Hernando Beach because it's a good reference point, because I actually filmed right there at that water tower. I don't know if you can see it in the background, but there's a water tower there. And I did a lot of filming out here back in, I don't know, earlier this year with the, I think it was actually April, with the Phantom and the Mavic Air. And it's a good reference point to see how this is actually going to handle. So stay tuned. What's up everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm Original Dobo, and if you were new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of the video. Let's get this thing fired up, see how she does. I'm gonna go ahead and set it down here. Powering on the controller. It's pretty straightforward. Just powers on. Now I am using an Android device because this is still in beta currently, which, you know, that's okay. It says app connected and it's ready to go. Man, it opens up the app almost immediately. That's crazy how fast that was. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit screen record here on this. All right, let's go fly. Cool. So we've got a whole display of everything that's happening right now. It gives us our GPS location. I am gonna be shooting in manual today. I'm not gonna be changing any settings on the drone itself. I just want you guys to see how it looks basically straight out of the camera. I thought yesterday in testing that it looked a little oversaturated when I was looking on the screen, but after getting it onto the computer, it looked totally fine. So I don't know what's up with that. One thing I will say is there is a fan inside of here. It is very loud when charging. Don't really hear it now. It's not really audible, but there is an exhaust port here, but you have a lot of tech going on in here, so that makes sense. The other thing is I think these buttons here should have been a little bit higher, because my fingers tend to want to naturally rest here. And if I had configurations here, I would keep accidentally clicking them. So it's just going to take some adjustment to get used to that. But overall, I don't think it's too bad. We are filming in 4K 60 FPS. And I got to say, this thing is so quiet. I'm not even joking. But I don't know if you can see this here. So here's the church where I'm flying at. I'm coming in hot. I mean, this thing's cooking. How fast is this thing moving? Good Lord. That thing's fast. I want to say it's actually the camera. Come here. Let me get up here a little higher. I can't explain it, but if you look at the lens on the camera, it almost looks, come on, get in here. I don't know, but you can see right here, it just doesn't, I don't know. It looks off. I don't know. I'll have to see. Not a big deal right now. Not a big deal. Sort of looks off. I don't understand that. Let's try that again. Let's try our approach again. And it looks like I'm far away from it, but I'm really not. I'm going to try rolling the gimbal down. I'll need to adjust the gimbal speeds and what have you, but this is just sort of me just messing around here. This is not going to be very cinematic, guys. I just want to see what this can do. I mean, right here, the gimbal looks pretty good, I think, anyways. You know, in the grid, anyhow. So, all right. There's a plane above me. I gotta bring this down. I'm well under, but still. Interesting. It's probably the fastest drone I've flown to date. I will definitely say that. It's crazy fast. Like, very agile too, actually. But the gimbal tilt is something that is definitely present. I don't know. May require some calibration. Autel said that they made some strides to help video transmission, and I would have to say they did a good job because I'm not getting any latency whatsoever in the video feed. It just looks really good, actually. So, like, really good. Like, I didn't even get any breakup or anything in it. And I'm about, I don't know, that's about a little more than a quarter mile away. But this thing is stupid fast. Like, I'm gonna have to probably lower it down so I can get more control on it because it's crazy fast. And then to land, I can just hit and just hold it. Well, that's gonna do it for this test flight video. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully you learned something. I sure did just flying it. It's sort of, I'm gonna have to get it back, look at it on the computer to really make a good assessment. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below of this footage. Does it look tilted to you? Am I right? By this point, hopefully maybe somebody else got theirs. Let me know what you are experiencing on yours. Anyways, I will see you in the next one. Bye. Stay original.